the 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.